Hi everyone, welcome back. How are you all doing? I trust you all are doing great. So today we are going to be making this delicious stew together. So guys, let's get started. Into a clean pot, I went in with some vegetable oil. Then I'm just going to allow this to hot. Then I will go in with some chopped onions, okay? So after adding the onions, I'm just going to stir for 2 to 3 minutes to bring out its fragrance. Then I'm going to be adding curry and thyme. Then once I'm done adding the curry and thyme, I'm still going to stir this for a while. So guys, if you are new here, thanks for clicking to this video. Please don't forget to like this video, okay? Please also hype the video for me. And I will really appreciate that. Thank you so much, guys. So the next thing I added was tomato paste. After adding the tomato paste, I'm going to fry this for about 3 to 5 minutes, okay? So guys, at this point we are going to be adding the tomato mix. Here I have tomatoes, onions, fresh pepper and long bell pepper and crayfish. So after adding it, I'm going to stir, then cover this to cook until the water is dried up. So after the water is a little bit dried, we are going to be adding the seasoning and some salt. Then I'm just going to stir this together. So next thing is to go in with the protein. Here I'm using cow intestine for my protein. You can use any protein of your choice, okay? So I went in with a little bit of meat broth. Then I'll stir this and cover it to cook. So guys, at this point our stew is almost ready. So I went in with my boiled egg. Then I will stir and allow this to cook for extra 8 to 10 minutes. And guys, our stew is ready. Look at that. This was very easy to put together, okay? So guys, our delicious stew is ready. I'm just going to serve and enjoy with my white rice. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.